Next card. Woo! Looks interesting. Whoa! Whoa! This is nicely built. Wonderful. Nippon Chemicon capacitors with a rather unusual shape. Never waste your time on gold pins, it doesn't pay. This will be great, I guess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, this is part 2 of the teardown of this ultrasound machine. I have absolutely no time for YouTube, unfortunately, but anyways, I need the space and I have to get rid of it. In the previous part we have seen the analog cards here, we have seen the CRT section and some other goodies. And today we will have a look at the power supply. I love power supplies. And we will have a look at the digital section. This will be great, I guess, I hope. Dust. Yeah, I love dust. Let's have a look. Ooh. Ah. Oh. So, where do we start? An empty card. Great. Everything is empty. Why? Oh, there's gold in here. I'm just kidding. Next card. Where's the processor card? Let's start with the processor. Is it this one? Look at that. Is this our main processor? I'm not sure. I will add the data sheet here. Looks interesting. NEC 1984. Great. And there are EPROMs, lots of them, to store all the programs, I guess. And static RAM. Nice. And lots of logic stuff. Nothing too exciting. And gold. Whoa, I'm a rich man. Woo! Of course, I'm just kidding. The next card. What's this here? Is there another processor? I will have a look. A lot of crystals. 23 megahertz, 13 megahertz, 31, 18, 26, 50 megahertz. D8085 AC from NEC 1986. CPU board, I guess. 2 more. 8255 AC from NEC. Cool. Next one. And more digital stuff. Ooh, nice. So basically this is a somehow discrete computer from the 80s. With only a few botch wires. Next card. Whoa! What's this here?
Whoa, why so many of them? I guess it is the memory board. This looks like a static RAM and a logic IC 299N. And that's all with this board. And the last board before we are going to the power supply. Woo! But it's nice. DSC TVVB TV board, something like that, I guess. And again, lots of logic parts, lots of EPROMs, and they are soldered in. Usually they are socketed, but on this board they are permanently soldered in. A little bit of analog goodies, nice one. We already had these parts in the first video, so please watch the first episode of this teardown.
Wow! Wow! Come on! What? I have no idea what I'm doing here. That's cool. In the name of science. Kabine 1 ganz frei machen bitte.
What's this here? That's interesting. Matsushita. Wow! Data sheet right here. Woohoo! What's this? 1985. Ceramic package. Awesome. Nippon Chemicon. Very interesting IC. What is it? Look at the rear side.
This will be quite interesting, I guess. Let's have a look.
Nice. Woo!
It's always good to have long screwdrivers.
Oh, yeah. Now we are at the, what is it? Human interface board, panel control board. No botches. Wow. This is a control panel and probably a keyboard Fujitsu Limited. And this one is probably a keeper too. Maybe I can sell it on my eBay shop. No link down below. Yeah, maybe I can sell it on eBay if I'm lucky. There's probably someone sitting around with such a unit and worrying about the broken foil or faulty buttons. And then my offer probably comes in handy. Oh, let's see. Oi, 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 oi. Ho, ho, ho. Oi, 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 oi. Oh yeah, here is the power supply. It is quite heavy, approx 20 kilogram. So what do I expect to see, or what do I hope? The power supply is made by Tamura Sesi Koschuh, so probably by Tamura. So I hope to see a large Tamura power transformer inside. And I hope there are some switch mode power supply modules, the commercial ones with a proper model number, something you could sell on eBay, I hope. And yeah, this would be awesome. So let's have a look inside. Oh, this is exciting. By the way, I would not recommend you to sell the power supply as a whole unit. This is pretty much pointless. Nobody will need it, I guess. Oh, gold-plated contacts. Nice. What's this brand, by the way? AMP, Amphenol. Whoa! Oh! This is great! Whoa! A heatsink tunnel. I don't know the correct term, I will insert it here. And a large power transformer. This is great! Exactly what I need. Wonderful. This is great for resale. So I will show you the details now. Here is the huge tunnel. It is made for 120 millimeter fans. The segments are isolated from each other, so you can mount the transistors directly onto the heatsink. This is excellent. 2SD-797, probably an exotic one if I'm lucky. This is nicely built, look at that. Wonderful. And more of such transistors. Here are voltage regulator boards. At least there are some trim dots. Nice. Wonderful. It is wonderful to solder with such a heat source. This is so fast. Please note the zero smog hose here. These are really large wires, and look how fast. Yeah, this transformer is very interesting. It has several primary AC mains inputs, lots and lots of secondaries. In example, an isolated AC mains output, and starting with 9 volts AC. So yeah, I think I can sell this one on eBay, and I hope to get 100 euro or more. Here are the power supply boards. I think they are driver boards. These are probably driver transistors for the larger ones on the heatsink. Gold-plated connectors. They are everywhere. Nice shunt resistors. Toshiba HA17723. Nippon Chemicon capacitors. SM series. Wow. Here's the second board. 100 volt and minus 150 volts. And they are generated by the processor. Here we have another EEPROM. Sharp IR9K08. Hitachi HA17741. Nippon Chemicon caps KM series. Nice job. Everything fine. Capacitors, yeah. With a rather unusual shape. They are very long. And they are not leaking. This is from the wire harness, from the plastic wire harness. It is sticky. Cool. If you have seen my video about the Aloka ultrasound machine power supply, I have sold all the Nippon Chemicon caps that were inside. They are pretty much the same. It took a while, but they were all sold on eBay. You don't get a lot for them, but really every euro helps. Fuses, yes, this one broke off. And AC mains power filter. And another look at this large heatsink. Wow, this is great. Woohoo! Why do I sell all these parts? I need some money
to keep all this going. So that's it for today. I hope you liked and enjoyed this episode. See you again soon. Bye. Gold pins. And here's something you should never do. Never waste your time on gold pins. It doesn't pay. But still, it is kinda addictive. That's something I do on a rainy Sunday. Mm-hmm.